Hey, what up my adventure family? How you guys doing? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Ray254 Adventures. Make sure you guys go down below, hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell. Today we're getting started with our adventure and we are on bikes and it started to drizzle, but we ain't letting that thing stop us. No rain's gonna stop us. We're gonna go explore, go check out this abandoned detention center and see what that thing's about. We actually an hour and 30 minutes away from the location. We could have drove over there, but I didn't know if it was too much parking. It was a little fishy, the area and stuff, so we decided to bring the bike so we could just throw things in the bushes and just go explore. Even if we got jump gates and stuff like that, we're gonna do what we gotta do, hopefully. Because we ain't try to get locked up in Miami. But let's go continue on and let's start our day. Let's go adventure and let's get to our location. And hopefully it doesn't rain, because it was just drizzling. We got our rain jackets and all that stuff on. We got our glass covered up, and we should be good. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to today's adventure. We just made it here to the detention center. This is an abandoned detention center down in Miami and we're gonna be checking it out. So let's go in and let's go explore, see what this place has to bring. It's already looking cool just walking in here. You can see some jail cells and stuff in there, but let's go in here and let's really see this place, how it really is inside. It looks a little scary, but we're going in. So guys, we're gonna go in. We're actually gonna turn the light on here. See what it looks like. Oh, it's closed on this side here. They got like some little cell doors here. I guess it's where you would have checked in at. Let's see if it's open or what. Spiderweb's that crazy here. I don't think it's open, but I'm trying to. Nope. It's not open, not this one. So you can see some stuff here, look. Some information from 2003. They got all these records and stuff here, look. I don't want to show you guys all people information, but these are like checks and stuff. But we actually gonna head out this one. I'm trying to find another way inside of the building here. Look over here, there's another little office room there. We don't want to get caught here too, because it's trespassing where we at. So we don't want to get caught, guys. We want to see the most we could out here before anything. And we just chained our bikes up at the front gate, so hopefully it should be good out there. Whoa, this is slippery here. Be careful. Look at this though. It's another light doorway here that's going. Let's walk in this side. See if we can get in from here. Turn the light on again. Hopefully I guys can see something because it is dark in here. This thing is dirty, these floors here. Let's see what this side has to bring here. Let's be careful because it's real mushy here. I'm not even gonna walk in this room. That thing's flooded all over there. Let's see if we go over here, see what's on this side. This is the visitor room, sir. Here, the visitor room. This is for the visitor room 1. You guys can see that. This is for the visiting room 2. Want to see what it looks like inside the visitor room? Hopefully there ain't nothing dead in here. Ooh. Oh look, you would have seen them right through the glass. The other side. Yeah, like you would have talked to them through the glass. But it stinks. I don't know what the hell we stepping on. It's all like smushy. Ew. It stinks like crazy. I put the wrong sneakers on for this one. And this is where the patients and stuff would have been at back over here. This thing is crazy. Like you see all the cell blocks and stuff. Go this way over here, come on. We see another room out here, Walking through the guess this would have been locked up for the cellmates in here. Oh look, this is the holes, the whole blocks here. If you act up, that's where they will put you at here. Look at this, still got the beds, everything here. This would have been prisoners and stuff just in here. And that's how they would have been getting fed through here. Right through the door when they were locked down here. That's when they locked down and put them in here. Let's get out of here. Let's go check the rest of this place before anybody see us here. So we actually gonna continue on walking through this hallway here. These mosquitoes ain't no joke in this property here. Look at the little windows for the cellmates to look out. They can't really see nothing. They gotta like peek out. Why did this one said hell block? Probably supposed to say cell blocks. Like somebody was here. Somebody like looking. You see somebody like hammer and stuff there. In the book bag. Damn, these mosquitoes is crazy. They messing my arms up here. Oh yeah, that's like a whole yard set up out there. I don't know if I want to walk on that floor there. That thing's so... That's why they got the mosquito spray there, whoever live in here. Let's go through here real quick. Oh look, all the cell blocks here. Here. Look, all the cell blocks. This is crazy. And it's flooded here. I'm stepping right on it too. That's how desperate I want to check this thing out here. Look at this. All the inmates would have been in there. Let me see if I can get through the gate, show you a little better. All the inmates would have been in there. It's like 2 beds each cell. This thing is crazy. This hallway continues on. I don't know how deep it is, but I'm gonna attempt it a little bit too. I feel like my feet gonna get wet. Look at this, yo. This is so crazy. Can't believe we in here. And the mosquitoes ain't no joke. I'm not even joking about that. They messing you up. You probably see them through my camera just flying around crazy. Little cellmate yard. You can see the roof. They can't even escape from here. Look, they got barbed wires, everything up there. Let's go see what's on the other side. This place ain't really too big, but we're gonna see what we can see in here. Still cool checking this place out. Even though the mosquitoes are messing it up for us. Wanna check this hallway? Damn, just look at the mosquitoes. I'm scared to walk there now. Let's go over here. Somebody's stuff there, so we don't want to mess with that. Oh, look at this. All the tables, the lunchrooms and stuff. Just walking over here, look, this one's open. The cell rooms in here. It's a little flooded, but these are open. Just staying right there, make sure everything don't lock on me. I ain't trying to get stuck in here. I don't know if these things still can move or what. But these are the inmate little cell rooms here. Feels like somebody actually staying in this one. They put the cotton and stuff in there. Like the showers and stuff would have been over there. Huh? They got 2 showers for all these people that would have been staying in these cells here. Get out of here, these mosquitoes. We gotta snoop through this thing quick. Oh, look over here. See who's in this hallway. So I just left us back to this little hallway here again. Just kind of turned around. There's another side all the way over here. We're gonna try to see if we can check that side out. It looked a little flooded, but we're gonna see what we can see here. You can see like all the cushions and all that stuff there. So this would have been where they would have been storing all the supplies, I guess. Back over here. Little cotton installation. The men's room. Somebody was staying back here, huh? This became like a little meth lab. Here. It was doing like meth or something here. Oh yeah, somebody like living there, I guess. Here. Somebody staying in there. Just go to like a dead end with all that trash there. Guess we done with it. Start heading back out of here. Wasn't too much. You know, start making our way back around. Get back to the front here. Probably get out through here or something, right? Walk around the outside. Oh, I think there's another entrance back over here, a better one. So we don't gotta climb that. You don't know what type of drugs is there, like needles or anything. And there's one right here, right? So the left is out a little easier. Let's go out through here. Check it out from the outside here. Damn, guys, look at this big ass lizard here. This thing is crazy. He just taking over this little property here. Look, there's 2 of them. Dang, he's like a little baby gator size. And they fast, her. Dang, that thing's big. These are people come get them from pets at. the other side where we started at. My bike's all the way over here, so we're gonna head over here to the bikes and start making our way back. This is the main entrance, just right here where the gates would open up. So we're actually gonna head back out here and then go check out the front building here. That's where you would have checked in with the guard to get to this property inside of it. So you would have came in here, you checked in with the guard, just in this little room inside of here. I'm not too sure if it's open or what, but let's take a look. Thing looks like it's falling apart. Like I said, I'm not sure if you could go in, but we're gonna check in the back. I don't see no way to get in there. I thought it would have been like a door, probably on the inside of that gate. Yeah, you probably had to go inside this gate here just to get inside the back of that building. This probably would have been like a parking lot for like the guards and stuff. But this is the front here. Show y'all guys it one more time before we head out of here. But I hope y'all guys enjoyed it. We're about to start making our way out of here, start heading back to our hotel, because we was exhausted just going out here. About an hour and 20 minutes away just to go check this place out, but it was hella worth it. And yeah, I recommend it. Definitely a cool little location. And I just noticed, look, making our way out of here, there's a camera aiming the entrance, and we didn't even notice that when we came in here. That's crazy. Yeah. We ride right by it. But we out of here, guys. Make sure y'all guys turn on notification bell. Stay tuned for the next adventures. We're gonna wrap it up from here, and I'll see y'all guys next time. So don't forget, guys, turn on the notification bell. And yeah, see y'all next time. Peace.